Meaning of exile.
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 Exile. Exile refers to the state of being forced to live outside of one's native country or community, typically as a punishment or for political reasons. It involves being removed from one's usual environment and being separated from family and friends, often with little hope of returning. Exile can result in feelings of isolation, loss, and longing for the familiar. It can also lead to a sense of resilience and determination in individuals who strive to adapt to new surroundings and rebuild their lives despite the challenges.